I've been selling mortgages for over the last decade. I've done thousands of loans, closed thousands of loans. I made $500,000 in just 5 months at the end of last year in what some would say a bad market. I teach originators across the country. I have my own brokerage here that's very successful. I teach some of the top companies, including the #1 company as far as a brokerage is concerned in the country, West Capital Lending. I've been consulting them in sales training for years. Because if you could go all in right now while people are going all out or barely in, you're gonna make the biggest damage now because you don't wanna rush the market and rush your clients when everybody's rushing with you. I would rather be running when there's only 10% of people running with me and everybody else taking breaks on the track. That's exactly where you're at right now. So right now, are you doing this in your business? Are you working more hours? Are you buying more leads? Are you taking more opportunities? Are you asking for more referrals? Are you meeting more realtors? Because if not, you're gonna be extinct like the majority of the mortgage brokers out there today. So listen, this market is tough only if you think it's tough. Understand that your mindset and your perspective and your ability to go all in and be ferocious in this time will make you the baddest mortgage broker of them all. The point is, whatever the hole is in your boat, it's on you to plug it. Nobody else is gonna plug it except you. Anytime I talk about sales and getting into scripts and structures, I always start off with the mind, because if your mindset is poor, then there's no reason to continue this video, because your mind comes first and you come first. So the first question I have for you is, before you even get into the office, get to your desk or put the headset on to take that call, what is your mindset? What is your self-belief? What are you affirming? Are you affirming that it's going to be a great day? Are you affirming that you're gonna change people's lives today? Are you affirming that you're gonna do multiple deals today? Are you affirming that you're the baddest mortgage person out there for any client on the phone today? Are you affirming that you're with the baddest company ever when it comes to mortgages today? Are you affirming it's the hottest market because people need your help today? Because if you're not affirming that, you're affirming the opposite of that. It's the hottest market ever to sell right now. And the thing is, it's like an infection. Almost like you're in a game of Resident Evil where the zombies are coming to get you and they bite you and tell you the market's tough. Then you turn into a zombie and you start thinking the market's tough. Look, right now is the hottest market ever to sell. Do not let these people infect you. Don't get infected. Because if you're hanging out with 5, 6 people that tell you the market's tough, you're gonna start thinking the market's tough. As a matter of fact, I almost said the market was tough a couple weeks ago, and I had to stop myself and correct myself before I get infected. Because if you can be successful in this market, you can be successful in any market.
And that's why I'm focused. I close my door out there. Like, I want to come out. I want to hang out.
Right.
I want to around sometimes. But at the same time, I'm so driven and focused on what I need to do that I don't, because I'm always busy. So high performers are always busy. They're always doing something to push their business forward. They're always learning. They're always growing. They don't waste time. They don't bullshit. I think that's the #1 thing.
So there's not a lot of originators left out there. The strong will survive. We'll close any deal in the world for you. There's never ever a time where you tell me, Ace, could you get on the phone? And I'll be like, no, that's a tough one. I don't believe in tough ones. I eat tough ones. Every single time they ask a client for the date of birth and social, clients would hang up, they'd freak out. This is back 2016. I looked around and I said, there has to be a better way here. So I thought of an idea of, why don't I create a custom text and a custom email that I could send the client that has my photo in it, my NMLS ID number to show that I'm licensed, maybe a photo of me and my family, and a couple of things that I stand for. So I went home and I created an email and text, and every single time a client answered, I'd copy paste the email to them and I'd text them at the same time. So now their phone is ringing as soon as they say hello to me, and they see my text and they see an email at the top. It's 2 notifications. And that was my safety brand email. As a loan officer, you have to understand there is always something for you to do. Right now, as I'm making this video, I'm losing money because there's something that I could be doing. What does that mean? Well, I have new clients if I'm getting new leads, and I could be calling my new leads, texting my new leads, emailing my new leads. Let's say you're not getting any new leads. Well, I have old leads. I have 30-day leads, 60-day leads, 90-day leads, 6 months leads. I could be calling them on a dialer. I could be texting them. I could be emailing them. I could be dropping voicemails for them. What else could you be doing? I could go to every single client I close. I could call them right now and I could check up on them, see how they're doing, how their family's doing. Tell them, look, it's a crazy world today. You need any extra cash? Let me check out your situation. Any friends or family looking to purchase or refinance? And if you built good relationships with people that you closed, you could get a couple of contacts from doing that. How many LOs actually even do that? There's social media. I could get on social media, send DMs to people if they need extra money, if they want to purchase. I could make create content right now for social media. I could do a paid advertisement on LinkedIn, on Facebook. I could go to a website and create a mailer right now and send it out. I could go to my phone book and start calling people in my phone book and checking up on them and seeing if they need help or if they have any family or friends that need help. I could go outside and start knocking on my neighbors' doors and asking them how their mortgage is, if they need help, if they have any friends or family that need help. I could buy new leads or check out new lead sources and see if I could get more opportunity from these leads. There's always something for you to be doing in mortgages. I could clean up my pipeline. I could make new Excel sheets. I could listen to my call clips and get better. I could create text messages so they're ready to go every single day for every single scenario. I could create emails. I could create drip campaigns. I could create processes because a lot of LOs are very sloppy and disorganized. All these things I told you to do, they take 90 days worth of time. You can't even do these things in one day. There's so much for you to do as a loan originator. Why the f are you doing nothing? Or why are you doing almost nothing? Why do you come in here and waste time? So it drives me back to a couple of key factors. It makes me think about things like goals. It makes me think about things like people that move quick. Like, why do I move quick? Why am I always working? Because I know where I want to go. And while I'm here, I'm thinking about where I want to go. As a matter of fact, I'm running and I'm on my way where I want to go always because I'm always constantly in that zone. And I think people that are not doing this are maybe not thinking about where they want to go. They think they just want to come in here
And I'm gonna try to write a loan today. And yeah, it's Alex Rafferty with you today. Were you looking to refinance or purchase?
Unconscious people. They're not coming in here with a killer mentality. Like, you can look at somebody's eyes and they have that killer mentality. And it's like, who's the first person I'm talking to today? Who am I gonna help originate today? Whose family am I gonna change today? And you look at me when I stand up like this and I take a call, it's completely different than,
Yeah, let's just write some loans today.
it's two different people. It's two different mindsets. It's two different energies. Hey, Ms. Jane, so tell me, what do you do for a living? Oh my God, you're a baker? That is awesome. My sister's a baker too. How much do you make a year? And how is that for you? And is it comfortable? And what would you do with more? When's the last time you got a raise? I'm asking questions because I'm conscious. I'm building a relationship. I'm building rapport. I'm making them laugh. I'm sharing stories. Everything is getting stronger throughout my qualifying section because I'm actually building a relationship through qualifiers. So stop being unconscious and just asking questions. Most loan officers are treating right now like a time of a slump, and the slump is in your mind. You see, these loan officers and these older dogs think like,
Yeah, it's just a tough market. We'll wait for the rates to drop.
like my broker shop is called The Takers for a reason. We get up, take advantage of the opportunity, and make shit happen. We don't wait for anything to happen, and that's your first mistake. It's not a slow season. It's just a different game now. People are not calling you back because you're not giving them enough value to call you back. If your pipeline depends only on your leads you're buying, that's not a sustainable pipeline for this market. Stop being an order taker and be a deal maker. Be a deal creator. Be a taker. That's what it is. A lot of people are still in the mindset when a mortgage lead comes in, it's like,
What's your interest rate? What's this? What are you trying to get done? Or when are you looking to purchase? And are you serious to move forward right now? Is there any reason that you wouldn't do this today?
you're coming in with all these negative assumptions about the client and the lead, assuming it's a bad market, bad lead, bad client, and they're wasting your time. You see, I come in different. I come in with what's going on in this client's life and how could I create an opportunity that's going to change your life forever. Meaning if they're looking to purchase, the time is right now automatically in my head. Whether they found a house, they didn't find a house, they're thinking about a house, it's an investment house, it's a vacation house, it's a primary house, it's an upgrade, it's a downgrade, they need to do it right now. And my job is to figure out what's going on in their life and why this move is important and how could I craft the perfect solution to show this client this move is going to be awesome and it's a move we need to make right now. I seen a TikTok video the other day. Maybe you guys are familiar with this. I wasn't. It makes total sense though. The guy's catching fish, Aram, throws the watermelon on the floor. He smashes it. He throws the watermelon in a big net into the water. Then they throw like a pound of fish food on top. All the fish start biting and they scoop it up and they catch 1,000 fish at once. I'm like, wow, you just killed a dream for fishermen. Unless they enjoy the sport. So what do I mean by that? I mean, like, if I really wanted to, like, and this is gonna be like a chapter for me in my life where I focus on partnerships and relationships, I would go like a credit repair agency, make a relationship with them. But again, it's not like, give me a shot, let's go have coffee. It's the same exact thing I said you do for realtors. I would examine the credit repair company. I'd find out what the buyer is interested in. I'd find out what's missing, what's important, and I'd show up with custom value over and over again until I get that partnership. If you have a big accountant
or a doctor or a dentist? How could you show up and give them something valuable so your information is the one that they're passing out every single time they have referrals? So don't sleep on this as well. Maximize relationships, maximize events, and maximize partnerships with people that could actually help you.
My name's Alex Sharafadine. I'm the founder of Takers Brokerage. If you want to come work with us, you can apply on acesacademy.com, go to the menu, go to Takers Brokerage, or if you're in mortgages, you need to be on Mastering the Mortgage World. We give you every single secret, template, script, video, call clip, everything that you need. It's a mortgage genie. It's real mortgage AI, not AI that hasn't closed loans. This is an AI that's closed thousands of loans, and every single secret, tactic, and strategy is inside of there for you. Like, subscribe, and share this channel with anybody in mortgages you love. We're doing this for you. Understand your value and understand what you're selling. The most powerful thing in the world. Take that power with you to your next call. Peace.